Hi, this is Andy Bennett from Benetts Safe Gas. Thank you to Tool Talk and for Monument Tools for sending this out. This is the Monument soldering and brazing torch 3450G. There it is in the wrapper. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, it's quite light. Seems quite nice, sturdy. This cap here is plastic. I'm not sure if this is removable. I haven't read it fully. Something for me to look into in the future. Yeah, let's get it on some gas. Put it on some MAPP. I only use MAPP gas. Okay, let's open it. Locked. Not straight away. And it has got quite a wide head, but that's wrap around. Yeah, it's very nice. Obviously on, and then you lock it for off. This is your button to keep it ignited. You've got your flame adjustment. Too much. More delicate places. Then lock it when it's off. I always turn it off. I have had a fire in the van before. I've learnt my lesson. Yeah, it's a nice torch. It's not cool touch, it's hot already, and that hasn't been on long. But then my other torch isn't cold to touch, so you just have to leave it to cool down before putting it away. All in all, very nice. I like it. Thank you Tool Talk and thank you Monument for sending this out.